Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Mercedes C Class. So from any screen, we're just on reverse at the moment, but from any screen we'll just click the star, the menu button, and then we'll go to telephone, click the selector back towards you. That brings up this connect device and options. Now connect device, it's quite confusing. Options gives you absolutely nothing. I'll just show you options, import contacts, so it's not that, so we need to go back. But as I say, connect device, you don't want to connect to device, you want to delete it, but you have to press connect device. So like that, and then we cycle down to the phone you want to delete. You see this little menu at the side which has come up, so if we now knock this selector across towards me, and you've got deauthorize there, so select deauthorize, click the button to deauthorize, select yes, turn in the rotary selector and yes, and that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Mercedes Benz C Class.